Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Senate Steve. This is the F450. We got the Bruce up here, and well, again, we don't need to run through all the projects, but we got a channel that's pretty active here. We have a lot of content. We got a lot of vehicles and things like that. And well, today I'm gonna add another one to the arsenal that's, you know, more gonna be geared towards my family and for us. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for the drive. Just like with the motorcycle, you guys do know that, you know, I bring you guys and I share a lot with you guys. So this past weekend we went camping. We stayed in a tent, and let's just say, I mean, yes, I do 100% believe it is camping, and I did have a very, very good time, and the kids actually had a good time, and that's what it is about. However, 5 people in a tent was a little stressful, but neither here nor there. We got the F450, and I obviously jumped on Facebook Marketplace, and I started looking around, and we located some. We, I think, have a deal. I told the lady I'd be there at 9 o'clock this morning, so we're gonna jump in the truck, like I said, head down there, and we're gonna make a purchase. I'm pretty much just gonna buy it sight unseen, because for the price, I can't really beat it. I'm waiting on my buddy Josh to get here, which he should be here any minute, so definitely check him out. I will have his information up here somewhere. It's JPM Garage, I think. No, I will have his information somewhere around here, but he's gonna go along and give me a hand getting all this stuff taken care of. So let's just jump in the truck and let's go get our new surprise for the kids. Now, the kids don't really know about this. I did text them and tell them that I was in the search for it. So the kids do kind of know that I've been in the search, and obviously the kids also know how I am. Whenever I get into the niche that I need to get something, I want something, we end up getting in, pulling it through. So we're gonna jump in the truck here, and I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. Alrighty, well, you guys know the time of day it is. It is knivesdeal.com merch plug minute. Here you guys go. This has a nice serrated blade and all that, and it is literally like a gold color. It's freaking cool. I absolutely like this knife. It also has a bottle opener on the back, and don't forget, for every dollar you spend on knivesdeal.com, you will earn a chance to win this mini Jeep go-kart. Say hi, Diesel. Hi. He hasn't really wanted to talk to the vlog lately, but we are gonna go ahead and roll the footage for today. Juice in the fridge, apple juice. What? Milk. They can have juice or whatever's in the fridge. As you can tell, we did go ahead and get the front very, very well cleaned. I think I have a clip of it, so I'll go ahead and put it in. But again, here is like skirting that somebody had. As you can tell, it goes up and across the front. I have no idea, so I'm gonna try to figure out how to get that off and go from there. But there's some things that we do have to do. Like, I still have to clean the whole top half. I can only reach so far. Some of the seals are kind of coming out, as you can tell, so we'll go ahead and get them all pushed back into place and things. I think on those they're adjustable. I will let you know at a later date, but there it is. I mean, how can you go wrong? Got plenty of storage. I believe this is my propane. We got our 15-pound propane bottles in here. Our awning is a little crooked, and they said that they had it out, and when they let it go back up in, they didn't, you know, obviously make it straight. So we should be able to straighten that out. Under here is a bin, full storage. As you can tell, it does go across. It does still need cleaned, but full storage unit under here, which I freaking love, because you can put, you know, pretty much anything. If I had a kayak, I could toss a kayak in there. But this thing is really cleaning up well. You can also see on this side, I think I pressure washed the awning also, but it was freaking dirty. It was freaking disgusting. So let's go ahead and go into the inside, and I'll give you guys a quick little tour of my new RV. Well, is this an RV? No, this is not an RV. All right, so here we are. We have it, and I still got to clean off. I think somebody spilled coffee back here. I don't really know, but these chairs have got to go. They are absolutely hideous. That is obviously a pull-out couch. So when you're ready, you pull it out, bam, there's a place to sleep. This is also a place to sleep. Let me go ahead and turn down my copyright infringement, because as you do know, we do have a radio and surround sound. We do have a ceiling fan. I do got to clean the ceiling a little bit, but surround sound back in the corner. Oh, there's a pretty mean spider web. But I don't know if you guys are into campers and things like that, but plenty of overhead storage. You can see it's over there. Again, like I said, this folds down into a bed that goes down on the little channel there, and you can sleep there. So it does technically sleep 2, 4, and then we'll get up here to where the magic is going to happen. But as you can tell over here, we have our sink. I went ahead and got it all pretty well cleaned out a while. I think I'm going to change the top cabinet. I don't really like the way it sits. I think it sits out here too far, so I am going to probably go ahead and change that. I'm not really sure. But we have our fridge, which this is actually a full fridge. I freaking love it. It's much like my last camper. If you guys do remember the channel, it's the same size fridge, but it's very, very clean fridge. Microwave, stove, everything's said to be working. You can hear the AC running, and then you come up here, and like I said, this is where the magic's gonna happen. Got the bed. I believe there's storage underneath the bed. I didn't even actually look at that. Yes, there's pillows that we're gonna throw away. I don't use any bedding from other people. I did pull the blinds off as I started to clean and everything, then decided, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and make the video. But there you have it, kind of a master bedroom. We got our sink, shower, bathroom here, which definitely needs cleaned. I don't know if I even want to show you guys that, because it's gonna look freaking disgusting on film. But that is the bathroom. We're not gonna go in there. I don't want to show you that. Shower, obviously. We'll probably for the most part use the shower houses and things like that, because with the kids, it's a lot easier to go down to a shower house, a family shower house, put them all in there, let them get everything sopping wet and everything down there, and go from there. So obviously 2 steps down, boom, 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 boom. Okay, 3, I guess. But there you have it. There is the tour of the new camper for the Send It Steve family. My little Send-Its are going to be so excited. They don't even know yet. They didn't even get home yet to be able to see it or anything like that. I just kind of woke up this morning and decided, well, I made the deal happen the other day. So I kind of made the deal happen and everything, and then, you know, ran out there to get it. My buddy Josh came, JP M Tech on YouTube and Instagram. Definitely check him out. He's building a sick bed for his Toyota pickup, but he came down. So Josh, thank you very much. Cody, his son, actually got out of bed this time and came down and helped us. But we had a freaking easy time getting this back. Obviously the F450 made light work of it, and I mean, let's go back outside. The F450 is a beast. You guys know that. All right, so on the outside here, one of the things that we will probably address is new tires. They are cracking a little bit, so we'll probably go ahead and I'm going to check the brakes and everything like that. They said it was kind of a stationary unit. It didn't get trailered or anything much, but I do want to get new tires on it just because that's cheap insurance. All right, and this is actually my gooseneck adapter. So as you do know, this is a 5th wheel, but if you can run an adapter plate like this, which is basically simple, you have the ball of the bed of the truck, and this just attaches to the ball of the truck, and then I got to get safety chains for it. My phone is always ringing. If you guys only knew how many times I had to literally stop videos for phone calls. But I'm excited. We'll go ahead and get our safety chains mounted and everything. Basically, I think I usually go ahead and mount them up top here. So I'll loosen a bolt, tighten them up here, and we will be good to go. Obviously, you know, that is your brake harness just in case it gets disconnected. Pop, perm, locks up the brakes, you're good to go. Here's your up and down for the front. Oh yes, that's extend, retract. Works absolutely fantastic. And one of the things I didn't talk about on the inside was the slide out. But that obviously slides in and then it slides out, and you got plenty of room. So when you're driving down the highway, obviously that's inside. Over here in this first bin is actually the battery location, which is actually kind of cool. It does have another plastic lid that sits down on top, and we actually did stop and get a battery on the way home. So we do have a battery to toss in here. We're just hoping they don't touch anything for now.
All right, and one of the cool things I believe on this side, oh, it's locked, but this is actually a bin. This goes underneath the couch in there. Once we go, or you probably already seen the inside, but inside underneath the couch, you can actually access it from here. Locked, obviously. I don't have the key with me, or else I'd go ahead and unlock it. Coming around the back of the unit is actually where the electrical is. It basically is just, you know, a plug run in here, and then when you're in and out, you just push it in. Good to go. When you're ready, you pull it out. There you have it. So basically a simple setup. So I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven, guys. We got to get her cleaned up a little bit more. Still got a lot of pressure washing to do, and I'm gonna go ahead and get an actual they make like black streak remover. We're gonna get that, and that should clean this thing up very, very nicely. The other thing that we do need to get, which I do actually have, is stabilizer jacks. The ones that were on here are obviously broken, and I got to get new ones. So they're actually, I think, like $100 for 2 of them. I do believe I have one over here I can briefly show you. But yeah, we're gonna have to get stabilizer jacks tossed on it. And I know a bunch of you down in the comments down below are going to say about, oh, well, when it's on the truck, it's gonna sit like this because your truck's so high. Axle flip it. I'm not gonna axle flip it, guys. This is gonna be basically just to do some camping, and I'm gonna fix up a little odds and ends that I have to fix up, and then we're probably gonna sell it and get a bigger and better unit. So it's just little things. Let's go head over to the other side. Alrighty, guys, so then when you come over here to this side, you can obviously, I could only reach so high, so you can see exactly where I stopped pressure washing. So we are going to get it all cleaned up. You can still see there's a bunch of sap up there, or moss, whatever you want to call it. I don't even know, but it looked like they had kind of like skirting around it, because there is actually, like, I don't know if it's white duct tape or, well, I'm pretty sure it's white duct tape, but this stuff is everywhere. So we're going to have to go ahead and get, you know, sort of a rubber, I would assume. Now, if you guys out there know, I'm not gonna act like I know, but I'm gonna assume that if I get like a pinstripe remover kit, I'll be able to go ahead and get all of this off. I don't know. So if you guys do know, let me know in the comments down below. But I think we made out pretty well so far. So we're gonna keep cleaning up here, and there you have it, guys. There is the actual camper. So again, guys, it wasn't kind of a super amazing fun video and things like that for you guys, but for me, it's freaking cool, because now I can get out there and actually go camping with the family and things. So that's what it's about: building a channel, having fun, and gonna, you know, share my positive vibes and everything with you guys, and some stories and things. So if you guys like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next upload.